Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to use Grammarly's Plagiarism Detector. This is a powerful tool that helps you check your writing for originality by comparing it against billions of web pages and academic papers, ensuring your content is unique and properly attributed. Start by opening a browser window and head to www.grammarly.com. If you haven't already, sign into your account using your credentials. Once you've successfully signed in, you'll be directed to the Grammarly dashboard. This is your central hub where all your documents and writing tools are organized, making it easy to manage your content and access Grammarly's features. Once you've successfully signed in and your documents load up, look at the left navigation menu and click on Docs. This is where all your saved documents are located, and it's the starting point for accessing any piece of writing you want to check for plagiarism. From here, browse through your documents and locate the one you wish to analyze. Click on it to open it in the document editor. This will load the full text and prepare it for analysis with Grammarly's various tools. Once you're in the document editor, you'll notice a right side menu. This is where all your Grammarly tools are conveniently located, including grammar suggestions, tone adjustments, and the plagiarism checker. Simply hover your cursor over this menu to expand it and reveal all the available options. From the expanded menu, click on Plagiarism Checker. This will activate the feature and begin the scanning process. Grammarly will now read your article or document and compare it to billions of web pages, academic databases, and published works posted on the internet. This process might take a few moments depending on the length of your document, so be patient while Grammarly analyzes your content thoroughly. Once the scan is complete, you'll see a similarity percentage for each article or source that matches parts of your text. This breakdown shows you exactly where potential plagiarism exists and which sources your content resembles, allowing you to review and make necessary adjustments to ensure originality. Do note that this is a premium feature, so you might need to subscribe to a plan to use this feature. Grammarly offers different subscription tiers, and the plagiarism checker is typically available with their premium or business plans. If you haven't subscribed yet, you'll be prompted to upgrade when you attempt to use the plagiarism detector. And that's it. You've successfully used Grammarly's plagiarism detector to ensure your content is original and properly attributed. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.